Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel The Tech Viper. So today in this video we will see how to create curved carousel animations using Figma. So without wasting time, let's see how to create it. So you can see we are inside the Figma project now. So first of all we will drop the assets. So here you can see we drop the assets and no need to worry, you will get it on the description below. As we are focusing mainly on the prototyping part, so we will not be doing it from the scratch. So create the curved carousel images or animation over here. What we will do now, first of all, by pressing F on our keyboard, we will create a frame, something similar to like this, and we will duplicate it by holding Option on our keyboard, as I am using Mac. Select all and duplicate it again. Perfect. Now select all, go to plugins. If you don't have plugin that is Unsplash installed, you can just go over here and search for the plugin over here like Unsplash and click on it. Now here in the presets, select the abstract or whatever you want to put. That's perfect. So we got these images over here. Now selecting all, put it inside an auto frame layout by holding Shift plus A. Now everything is inside auto frame layout, you can see over here. By clicking the right click on your mouse, select the frame selection now and bring it to somewhat here, wherever the position you want. Perfect. Now go to prototype by selecting the frame selection only, and here you will select horizontal scrolling, as we are scrolling horizontally over here. That's perfect. Let's go to design back. Now press O on your keyboard and design a circle like this, similar to like this, and change this color to that of the background. Copy it upward. You can increase the size a bit. Both should be the same size. And by clicking on it and holding space bar, just drag it upward like that. Same for this one. Just align it perfectly now. Align with this one, the inside frame. Yeah, it's looking perfect. Now selecting all, I will put it inside a group. Now I will drag and drop it over here. In this manner, and you can see over here it's outside the frame. We will just drag and drop it below the header, it should be, and we drop it inside the frame now. You can just align it. Yeah, the way you want. Perfect. Now if I run the prototype, you will see one issue. See, it's going outside, right? So we don't want that. So how we can fix that? It's simple. Let's zoom in a bit. Just press F on your keyboard and drop a frame like that. Change this, fill it, and change this color to that of the background. Simple. Now take the header, as the header is not visible now, take the header upward. Perfect. Now if I prototype it, let's change it to fit, width and height. And if I run it now, you can see it's working great. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe and share these videos with your friends, colleagues and everyone who are into UI development and loves doing prototyping and all. And it will be great if you subscribe and share with other guys. It will make me create such videos more. And till then, take care. I will see you in the next video.